socio-economic pyramid. The majority of Kenyans, they're lowly, the people who really need a lot of support. So we are building our party on that ideology. And it's a party that we want to grow to be a very serious party for years and years to come. Not just for winning elections and forming government, but to have an ideology. And our ideology is economic. We want to empower the ordinary Kenyans to be self-sufficient, to afford good health, to afford shelter, to be able to go on their life without too much trouble. Otherwise, I want to say you are most welcome here, and we want to continue engaging your country and your organization in matters development, in matters governance, and all other things that we can support it. On a lighter note, I am a fan of your car, Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a car that I don't allow my driver to drive. I drive it myself. Because most of vehicles from Germany last long, they are tested and they are efficient. Even a lot of equipment from Germany in our industries, the German technology is very much accepted here because it's proven and it's reliable, and therefore again that is what has also strengthened our relations, because your products are very liked here by people, the ordinary people. I come from Germany, some machinery from Germany, their factories, they did very well. So I really want to say most welcome for calling on me this morning with your delegation. And again, as I said, take your time here. In your time, you can move around and see your animals. Enjoy the hospitality of the Kenyan people. Most welcome. Even as we speak today, the problems in Somalia